Hello, you are seeing here Mr. Venkat, and again from our WhatsApp group, one Miss is there actually, and he not only having a flat here in Dubai Silicon Oasis, and he's encouraging 3 other friends, and he is taking care of the completely that their part, and due to that they got interested now. They are also coming, and out of this is one of the 4 flat. This is one of the flat. Look at here actually. So actually he has a one more slightly different thing. You know, here he is getting goat manure in UAE. So you can see that. Oh, these are the growth. He just, you know, the dried form, completed dried goat manure. So he spread the grass. Just tell me, sir, how exactly, like, this is one of the flat, right?
Yeah, this is one of the flats, sir, and this has red radish.
Okay.
And some kind of local pallacs and carrots, onions are there.
Okay.
And we can see this one is a gongura. So
Gongura.
3 plants have planted more seeds as well.
Okay.
And,
Yeah, I could see them.
More of an onion and coriander and carrot.
Even,
and,
yeah.
What I've done is the initial stage I just sprayed the seeds.
Okay.
Just to know the fertility of the soil, but the soil is very fertile and
Already because of, you know, that's been using in a year and a year.
Right,
Okay.
Year and years, and, it came out well, and I've even harvested some of the red radish.
Yeah, last week you know, you put the pictures in the group.
Yeah. Some of
And see, this is the one of your flat,
Yeah.
and the neighboring flat. See, the next flat belongs to one of his friend only, but I think she's a foreigner.
Yeah, she's a foreigner.
But see what she has done. Look at this is almost like you know, the cocoa peat and, you know, that potting soil everywhere. He knows what exactly he has done, and
What she has done is she has taken the some layer of desert sand from it, 15 centimeters. She has taken it out,
okay.
and she has filled it with the cocoa peat, and then she has planted it.
Oh,
And,
okay. So he's taken a lot of, so he spent a lot of money basically.
Yeah.
This, yeah, tomatoes.
I'm really not sure, like, you know, why the growth is slow, but I told her to wait for some time.
Okay,
Gradually
but
it is all growing well.
because you must be seeing that the next one is growing really nicely,
She
and
always ask me, what do you do for this? I always, you know, I
that's a
somehow
green thumb actually. People, you know, even they say about what is the green. I say looking for where is the green. Great indeed. This is one of the flat. We'll see the 3 other flat also. Yeah. Now Mr. showing the second flat of his friend. You know, look at here how he maintained. This all, you know, the initiative, the maintenance, all done by him. Basically, he is guiding from the forefront, and now they are also coming close towards this 100% towards nature's, you know, natural gardening. Yeah, here he put mint, and you can see even, wow,
we call this as
Ahatikira, yeah, pervical, yeah, wow.
This I can say this is one of the you know, richest plot, because, you know, I have a lot of varieties seeded over here. And let us see. I mean, I can even show you this one.
One moment. From here I can say that the coverage. So you start from here.
Can you can come here this side.
Yeah.
I can small cucumber.
So this is.
Yeah.
Wow, the cucumber is here from such a small level.
Yeah.
You can just remove the leaves. You can able to see that. Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So
This is my first attempt of doing this.
okay.
But it came out well. I mean, I'm just waiting for all these creatures, you know, to capture and grow.
It will.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
matter of. So one thing I can notice, you're using, you know, getting free the goat manure.
Yeah.
Dried, extremely dried. I could see that it's so dried.
Yeah.
In fact, desert sand, the goat manure is really good.
Okay.
You know, a couple of friends also in Giza, even in Al-Quds they used it. They informed me.
See, but this one is a rough soil when compared to other places. It's a rough soil.
Okay.
But still, I can see the outcome is good because of the goat manure.
Okay, fine. And you use your composting manure also as well, yeah?
Yes, that is also there. Natural.
See, this is a third flat of his friend. Mr. Venkat is taking care and is doing the fresh harvest. And look at the lady fingers. This is the fourth flat of Mr. Venkat, means his friends. It is all he is taking care of it. Look at that. Coriander. So beautiful.
Full of coriander, potatoes, and
Yeah. I could see that. This is potatoes.
tomato.
And here brinjal, tomatoes, and this. Yeah, nice. So these are the four flats. Yeah, basically how you initiate, not only you are taking care of your three other friends flat also. What made you to do this?
Interest, it's all about passion and interest.
So that's even bring others also.
Yeah. The last year was my first attempt to go here, and I felt I got succeeded in that. This time what I enjoyed it. So I thought,
Okay.
I can involve my friends also. Not only occupying the other friends' plot, I'm also encouraging them. So
That's called let us live. Let's that's what let us live. Let us make others live.
Yeah. I'm making them to harvest.
Okay.
You know what we did now, so that they will also get their interest.
So that's the one thing is no, even 0% against, that's not non-natural stuff. I mean 100% natural way, correct? That's what very important all about. Great. Basically, Mr. Venkat not only in group 1, he's in group 3 also, trying to share, his experiences. As we always say, share your practical experiences. He does share the practical experience of what he's going through here, and that's amazing stuff. Thank you. This is the watering time, and exactly he has taken the tap to manually, because he has put a lot of goat manure on the top of it this way recently. So this way it can really mix with the soil. This is the time exactly. Yeah, wow, so beautiful it is. Automatic watering.
Yes.
After the watering, look how beautiful it is. Even the name board also, Sai's Farmer.